Hey everyone, so here we are in social studies and we are finishing up lesson 2 by taking our test today. So I'm here with you and I'm going to be working on this test directly with you as you go through. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask that you stay focused on this video as you go through the test, because my goal is to help you finish the test appropriately, and I'm going to give you some support or help throughout the test. So if you're watching this video, you're going to find yourself with an advantage because you are getting extra personal help. Let's check it out. So the first question, how many states are in the United States? So there are not 48 states. That's the best help I can give you right now. Choose the correct one. How many states are in the United States? Which of these is not a symbol for the United States? So if you think of the United States, which one do you not think of as a representative of the United States? The American eagle, the American flag, the Liberty Bell, or a cougar? Which one is not a symbol of the United States? Next, we have John lives down the road near a river, just south of a town and 2 miles from the school. Which word or words name a cardinal direction? Remember, cardinal directions are part of this never eat soggy waffles. Which one is one of the cardinal directions? Down, near, south, or 2 miles? Which one is correct? Next, the Statue of Liberty is located in Chicago, Los Angeles, Miami, New York City. It's not Chicago. Little help. What does the Statue of Liberty stand for? If you need to, look up Liberty. Liberty stands for freedom, nature, presidents, travel. Choose the correct one and let's move on. Where are the Everglades? The Everglades are in California, Florida, South Dakota, New York. I'm taking out New York. Choose the best one. What are 2 kinds of animals that live in the Everglades? 2 types of animals that would live in the Everglades. Think of where they were located from this question. What animals would you find there? Is it polar bears and penguins? Camels and tortoises? Crocodiles and alligators? Zebras and giraffes? I'm taking out camels and tortoises. Seems like a weird combination because tortoises would be the ocean, camels would be the desert. Weird combination there. The Willis Tower. The Willis Tower is on a small island in New York City, or is the tallest building in Chicago, or is showing the faces of the U.S. presidents. Crosses the entrance to the San Francisco Bay. The Willis Tower. It's not crossing the entrance to the San Francisco Bay because that's the Golden Gate Bridge. Little help for later. Let's move on after you answer that question. What is Mount Rushmore? Mount Rushmore is a mountain carved with the faces of the United States presidents, the highest mountain in the United States, the statue in New York City that stands for freedom, or the tallest building in the United States. Choose the best answer. It is not the statue. In which state is the Grand Canyon located? Arizona, Colorado, Texas, New Mexico. It's not Colorado. What does the Number 11. What does the Golden Gate Bridge cross? The Grand Canyon, New York Harbor, the Everglades, the entrance to San Francisco Bay. Well, there's no bridges that cross the Grand Canyon, so it's not that one. Moving on. The map key, what does it tell you? The map key tells you what symbols on the map mean, how far things are from each other, the directions, north, east, south, and west, or all the above? It's not all the above. All those things are different. Choose the best one. Use the word banks in below to complete each sentence. You can copy and paste the correct answer from the word bank into the answer spaces below. So what they're saying is you can highlight these, and when you highlight these, copy and paste them into the boxes where they should belong. Or you can just type them out. It's really your call, however you want to. So word bank is canyon, cardinal directions, map key, or scale. Let's start. North, east, south, and west are all examples of canyon, cardinal directions, map key, or scale. A blank is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides. A canyon, cardinal directions, map key, or scale. You can find out what symbols on a map stand for in the canyon, cardinal directions, map key, or scale. And finally, a blank helps you find out distances on a map. Canyon, cardinal directions, map key, or scale. Choose the appropriate answers, and let's move on. Use these words to fill in the blanks. North, west, Golden Gate Bridge, Everglades. Which place on the map is furthest to the south? Look at the map. North, west, Golden Gate Bridge, Everglades. Which place on the map is farthest west? North, west, Golden Gate Bridge, Everglades. If you are at the Statue of Liberty and want to go to Mount Rushmore, which direction will you need to travel? If you're at the Statue of Liberty and want to go to Mount Rushmore, which way are you traveling? A little help there. If you are in the Everglades and want to go see the Statue of Liberty, which direction will you need to travel? North, west, Golden Gate Bridge, Everglades. Pick your answer and turn in your test. I hope that was helpful to you guys. We are finished with lesson 2 and finished with social studies until we return from break. Great job. Keep up the wonderful work. Make sure you're checking for makeup work in the missing folder section of your classwork. Click on classwork, click on view my work, click on missing, and check to see that you have nothing missing. All right, guys, have a great day. Palm it.